Howdy. Couple things. Number one, how well does nature serve as a natural cleaner or disinfectant to a park bench? Should I be worried sitting on this park bench? Number two, you ever get self-conscious talking into your phone and you notice people are walking by and you look back and you try to act like you're not self-conscious, but you actually are? Oh, I got a bonus reflection here. Number three, look at this bench. I want you to imagine one person in history that is the history of this bench, not human history. One person in the history of this bench that has sat here and what they might have been going through at that time, and then what happened 10 days later. Hey, far out.